Welcome to the University of Scranton. This video will serve as a student tutorial on the basics of using Brightspace for your courses. We'll begin by showing you how to access Brightspace. Start by going to my.scranton.edu. Next, you want to log into the portal with your Royal ID and password. Duo security is required for this step. You can either send a push to your phone or enter a passcode from your Duo mobile app. Then, click the blue Sign In button to continue. Next, click on the hamburger icon in the top left corner of the page. Then select Discover. The Discover page shows all the available cards that the university's website has to offer, listed in alphabetical order. The card we are looking for is called Launchpad. At the top left of the page, search Launchpad. This card contains very important resources for students, so it's recommended to bookmark it by clicking the bookmark icon in the top right corner of the card. Bookmark cards will show up at the top of the My Scranton homepage, which allows for easy access to them. The bookmark icon will be shaded gray when the card is bookmarked. You can see here that I have cards such as Launchpad, Student Housing and Meals, and Financial Aid bookmarked. To navigate to Brightspace, simply click the orange Brightspace icon. This will take you to your Brightspace homepage. You can view news and announcements in the first section of the page. You can collapse the oftentimes lengthy news widget by clicking the drop-down arrow next to news and selecting Collapse this widget. You can also scroll past the widget, but collapsing it makes it quicker to navigate to the widget named My Courses. This is where your current semester's courses will appear. Next, if we click on a course tile, we'll be taken to the course's homepage. On the homepage, the title of the course will be displayed, along with several widgets your instructor may use, such as news, course calendar, updates, or tasks. Looking at the navigation bar above, you can see the different tabs available. The first tab is Content. Clicking this will bring you to a page that contains and organizes all the content your instructor has uploaded. This may include text, PDFs, videos, syllabi, assignment descriptions, rubrics, and more. The content is organized by modules on the left-hand side. These modules represent the files or submissions your instructor has uploaded, and they can be accessed by clicking on the blue links. Often, these items can be downloaded or interacted with, depending on how your instructor has designed their course. In this case, we can download the PDF for the syllabus. It is important to note that sometimes modules only become available by a certain time or date, or after a specific task has been completed by you, such as a quiz. If you don't see a module that you believe should be accessible, please contact your instructor. The next tab is the Discussions tab, where you and your classmates can respond to prompts posted by the instructor. Click on the discussion topic for the desired assignment. On the left-hand side, you can see the topic that you're in. In this case, we are in the Education 102 discussion forum topic. The corresponding threads of that topic are below, and currently I'm in the TED Talk thread. After carefully reading the directions for the discussion post, you can create your own post by clicking the Start a New Thread button. Next, enter a descriptive subject for your post, and then you have the option to either type content or upload a file from your device by clicking this Upload button down here. To submit your work, click the blue Post button. After your submission is posted, it gets added to the discussion thread. Depending on how your instructor sets up the thread, you may be able to view and reply to posts that your classmates create. The next tab is the Dropbox page. Here, you can submit assignments required by your instructor. By clicking on a folder, you can view the assignments within. Depending on the assignment requirements, you can either add a file, record audio or video, or leave a comment. To submit a file, click the Add a File button, and then browse your computer's file system. You add that, and once you're done, you hit the blue Submit button. And then there's one more confirmation just to click the blue Done button. It's worth noting that some assignments may run your submitted documents through plagiarism checks. Next is the Quizzes tab. Here, you can see the online quizzes, tests, or exams prepared by your professor for you to take. You will only see quizzes that are available to take at that time. Some assessments may require Lockdown Browser, which must be installed by following the instructions on this link here that says download and install the latest version of Lockdown Browser. Lockdown Browser is an exam security software that closes out all other tabs and processes on your computer for the duration of the quiz. For this tutorial, we will proceed with a quiz that does not require the Lockdown Browser. Upon clicking the quiz, you'll see instructions, time allowed, and the number of attempts permitted. Some quizzes may limit the time for each question individually. Begin by clicking the blue Start Quiz button. After answering all the questions on the quiz, click Submit Quiz, and then you'll be taken to a summary page. This will show each attempt you have taken on the quiz. If the quiz is automatically graded, like this one is, your score might be displayed immediately. The next tab is the Grades page. Here, you'll be able to see your grades for assessments and quizzes. Next is the Class Progress page, which provides an overview for your course completion. This includes your grades, completed objectives, the number of content tabs visited, discussion posts read and commented on, assignments submitted, and quizzes completed. You can also view your login and system access history. Next is the Class List tab. Here you can see the people enrolled in your course, including the instructor. Clicking on someone's name opens up a window allowing you to compose an email to them. You can also email the entire class list at once by selecting this button here in the top left of the class list, which selects everyone's name in the class. Then select Email again and write an email to all of them at once. Under the Resources tab, you'll find several tools, including email. The Email tool allows you to send emails to students or professors by entering their email addresses, adding a subject, and then typing in the content. Like in Outlook, you can attach files, record audio, or add other attachments. You are also able to filter your inbox by course. Lastly is the Class Calendar section under Resources. This page will display any events scheduled by your instructor, including assignment due dates. That concludes this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.